Let me ask you something. Have you ever typed "how to fry plantain" into Google and wondered what actually happens? How does your phone, sitting in your hand, reach Google's servers across the world and bring back a perfect answer in just 1 second? The journey might surprise you. So let's follow it, step by step. It all begins the moment you press enter. Your phone creates a small request, like a digital letter, but it can't just fly into the internet. First, it has to leave your phone. If you're on Wi-Fi, that request goes to your home router, the little box blinking in the corner. If you're on mobile data, 4G or 5G, it goes to the nearest cell tower. Either way, your request just took its first step into the digital world. Next, your router or cell tower passes the request to your ISP, your internet service provider. This is your phone's private driver to the internet. The ISP checks where your request wants to go and starts routing it toward that destination. But wait, what exactly is that destination? You typed in google.com, but the internet doesn't understand names. It speaks only in numbers, IP addresses. So your phone asks a special server called DNS, short for Domain Name System. DNS is like your phone's contact list. It takes the name google.com and returns an address like 142.250.190.14. Now your phone knows exactly where to send the request. With the IP address locked in, your request starts a journey. It travels through massive fiber optic cables, routers, data centers and switches. It might hop across cities or even continents, and it all happens in milliseconds. It's like sending a digital paper plane across the world at the speed of light. Finally, the request lands at Google's data center. The server reads your message, understands the question, and gets to work. It generates search results or loads the web page, packages it into a response, and sends it back on the same digital path. The response travels across the internet, hopping routers and cables, all the way back to your ISP. Your ISP sends it to your router or cell tower, and then finally, your phone receives the data. And that's when your screen lights up with the search results or web page you asked for. The entire round trip, often less than 1 second. Now let's talk safety. Most websites today use HTTPS. It's that little padlock icon next to the web address. It encrypts your data, meaning no one, not even your ISP, can read what you're sending or receiving. This keeps your Google searches and website visits safe from snoopers. Let's recap your phone's internet adventure. You type a request. It goes through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Your ISP carries it. DNS finds the IP address. The request travels to a server. The server responds. The data comes back. And voila, the page appears on your screen. This entire journey happens faster than the blink of an eye. The internet is truly magical. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, share and subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Got questions about how other tech works? Drop them in the comments and I'll make a video for you. See you in the next one.